Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Dusky Parenting. It's the start of a new week, and wanted to share with you some ideas that you could do for summer. I know many of you like to have some sort of summer school or homeschool, something that will help keep the kids, keep their brains moving, keep their bodies moving, and keep them learning, right? And so that we don't have a setback during the summer. So these are just some activities that are fairly easy to implement. You can surely go back to the channel and look for other activities. We've been doing this type of a video so that you can have 5 activities, one a day for a week. So you can look back at those and see if there's something that you like. But today, the activities are to take a jar and go on a bug hunt outside, right? I've been out watching the birds today. I've had new robins that were born a couple of weeks ago tomorrow, and they left their nest today. So I've been outside watching them. So I can't really put them in a jar, but there's been lots of things going on outside. Whether it's birds, whether it's insects, whether it's bugs. 2 days ago, I saw a bumblebee that was probably this big. Usually I just have wasps around my house, but this bumblebee was crazy big, and it was going from flower to flower. I have some white flowers and some purple flowers out front. Anyway, it was really fun to watch them. So go on a bug hunt. How many bugs did you find? And then compare them. You know, what's different about them, what's similar about them. I know my neighbors, I think I referred to it in a prior video about the butterflies, right? And they were selling butterflies that they had caught at the farm. And so lots of different things that you could do as you are outside with bugs, with insects, bird watching, any of those things. So that's the first idea. The second idea is to make cookies together by following a recipe, measuring the ingredients, talking about how to top off with a knife over the top of your measuring cup. Talk about the differences between liquid measuring cups and other measuring cups. You could talk about fractions as you look at a cup and 2 half cups and 4 quarter cups, depending on the level of your child today. So make cookies together, make a recipe together. Day 3, you could learn a new nursery rhyme. So one of my favorite nursery rhymes, obviously, is not Old MacDonald, Humpty Dumpty. There we go. And most of the kids know Humpty Dumpty, but some of the lesser known nursery rhymes might be fun to act out today, to take some sort of a drum or a pan from the kitchen and do some beating with it as we learn it, right? So Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Or you can do Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, right? You can do the beat rather than the rhythm. So not just learning a new nursery rhyme, but doing some other activities that go with that nursery rhyme, right? You could send a Marco Polo to an aunt or uncle or grandma and grandpa with your new nursery rhyme. You could also FaceTime, any of those types of things. You could call them. But sometimes it's fun to see your face, right, when we're far away. So that's day number 3. Day number 4. So while you're in the car today, using signs, so signs out, billboards or license plates or anything else that's out there, find the numbers 1 through 20, right? So it's kind of like the ABC. You start with A and see who can find an A, and then B when you're in the car. But this one is numbers today. So while you're in the car, see if you can find the numbers 1 through 20 in order. And then day number 5, you can make Kool-Aid. We've talked about this before. If you don't want to make Kool-Aid, use some juice, or if you have Gatorade or any of those things, you could put them to popsicle molds and put them in the freezer and enjoy a popsicle this afternoon, or enjoy it whenever you're going to use it. So you could make some sort of popsicles today, right? And there's day number 5 right there. So 5 ideas to kind of help your kids keep their hands on, which keeps their minds on. If you need more ideas, go back and visit Just Keep Parenting. If you know somebody who needs some ideas, share the video with them. Love to have them come aboard. My objective is just to keep learning fun, keep learning active, and just help share ideas. If you've got some ideas that you'd like to share, comment on the comment section below. If you have questions, I'm happy to reach out to you. I know somebody wanted the chording last week for one of the songs that we did. So I'm always willing to help. That's why we're doing this. It's just great minds kind of think alike. And so we just need to kind of help each other out as we're parenting and as we're being a village to raise kids. So march on, everybody. Make it a great day.